Hi, it's me.
Today, guys, we are talking immunity and inflammation. And Hugo today had to stay home because he was feeling?
I'm feeling very sick today.
Yes. So, and we don't want to have sick kids going to school because they make other kids sick. So we said, how about you stay home and you have a day of rest? And what we're going to do is we're going to do some immune boosting healthy recipes. So as part of the Food Matters Masterclass series that we've got coming up on the 5th of March, guys, make sure to sign up in the link below. We are talking about everything inflammation and gut healing and how to rebalance our hormones. And we have some incredible speakers that are joining us, so make sure you check out the masterclasses. But one of the incredible interviews that I loved doing was with Dr. Christine Smith, and she was talking about how we can heal our gut, and especially gut and inflammation issues, using two powerful root vegetables. So these roots are turmeric, Hugo, you can hold this one up,
Turmeric.
and ginger.
Yay.
And traditionally they have been used together in Indian and Sri Lankan cooking, Vedic spices all over the world because of their power anti-inflammatory properties. So Hugo, what juice are we going to make here today? Tell us
I'm
what's
going to
in it.
make a juice with carrot, apple, lemon, ginger, and turmeric.
Okay, beautiful. So if you guys are doing this at home, these are beautiful juices that help to reduce inflammation and help to heal any type of gut dysbiosis, any type of gut issues, flatulence, bloating, stomach pains, and that sense of feeling really unwell, drowsy, and brain fog can also all be related to gut issues. So if this is something that takes your fancy, this is something that we have a lot. We have it before breakfast. We have it like before breakfast, like before we actually have anything to eat. We have it on an empty stomach or anytime we're feeling that cold and flu come on. So Hughes, talk us through it. How are we going to make this? What do we start with?
Usually when you make a juice, you want to do the hard stuff first. So I'm going to go in with some of the carrot.
Turn it on. We've got the harum juicer here.
Put the carrots in at the top.
Yeah, sorry about the noise. So the harum juicer is a cold pressed juicer and it helps to literally press the vegetables but keep and retain all the nutrients. You can see everything coming out here, the pulp. So these are 2 carrots, 2 apples, I would say a 1-inch cube of turmeric, and a 1-inch cube of ginger. We just cut it up in half. And then 1 full lemon with the skin removed. Show us how to do the skin removed, okay?
I like to take off the skin, but you leave some of the pulp.
The
pith.
The pith.
Yeah.
So the pith does include a lot of nutrients, so we don't like to cut everything off. And with the turmeric, we can remove the skin, but because we're juicing it, it doesn't necessarily matter. It's actually more healthier to remove the skin of the ginger, because nowadays they are using all sorts of chemicals to cover them up so that they don't sprout in the shops. So if you're not buying organic ginger, make sure you either wash it well or cut off the skin of the ginger. So this delicious turmeric ginger shot is a recipe out of the ebook that you get for free when you sign up to the Masterclass series, which the doors are opening on the 5th of March. Make sure to join us. Epic interviews. James and I were able to find the best amazing speakers on nutrition and natural healing. And if you register today in the link below, you'll get this free ebook with the most amazing recipes. So let's taste it, see how we go.
And a very important step, add a bit of water at the end.
Yes, to pour it through. Yum. So is this palatable for kids? Let's see. Thank you so much for watching. So cool. Let us know where you're watching from, guys. We are here live in our house in Bondi in Sydney. And Hugo is having a taste. Is this for kids? Let's see his answer.
Yeah, I really like it.
Do you like it? Is it spicy? Like, I'm just waiting for your
It's
reaction.
spicy, but it's nice. I like it.
Okay, nice. So again, anybody, for those that are dealing with gut issues or any type of cold and flu symptoms, if you're constantly feeling aches and pains and chronically feeling fatigued, brain fog, any type of bloating, flatulence, come and join us for this masterclass. It's completely free. We have best speakers. James and I really enjoy doing the interviews and learning so much about ways that we can combat these type of illness and these type of dysbiosis. It's a feeling of feeling unbalanced. So there's lots of things we can do, and we will share that with you in these masterclasses. Send us some hearts from where you are. Hugo, how did Hugo do today?
Yeah.
Send us some thumbs up from Greenville. Thank you. Thanks, Kissy. Love that name. Yay, look, the hearts are coming through, Hughes. We did a Food Matters retreat in October in Vanuatu, and everybody was like, okay, now we want to see, thank you, Laurentine, for all your cooking classes, but now we want to see a cooking class with Hugo. And I was just like, yep, still got it, Hughes. He did which one did you do? The tea making ceremony?
I made some tea, and I think I did some other stuff. I can't really remember.
Yeah, he was making medicinal teas for everybody. Yay, thank you, everybody. Okay, sending so much love. Bye.
Bye.